This is video number 5 in a series of videos about concepts considered in my book Philosophical Contemplations. There's a link for a free download below, and I recommend watching at least the first video in the series, The Law of Opposites. The topic for this video is love and hate, but in the book I call it love and strife. Hate is a term more commonly understood than strife, but I feel strife is a more active opposite of love, meaning anger, disagreement and conflict. Whatever word we use, the point is to consider love and its opposite. Love can be simply understood as a closeness or bond that brings two or more together. Hate is a strong dislike, a distancing between two or more. Behind the emotional concepts of love and hate are the basic concepts of unity and separation. Love brings us close to a unity. Hate separates us and takes us further from unity. In the world of opposites, these two concepts must exist together. Love is a closeness, but still a separation. Hate is a far distancing, but there is still a connection. In fact, there is a spectrum of love or closeness, with love being very close and hate being further apart. Although we can think of love being better than hate, hate is still somewhere on the spectrum of love. We should accept and understand hate or strife as versions of love, albeit far removed from the highest ideal of love. It's still on that spectrum. There is no end to how far hate or strife can distance itself, but love's end is in unity. The highest love is a complete unity where there is no love or hate, no separation or closeness. All are one. If we think of it, although hate can stretch far away with no end to how far it can go, there is an end. Its end must be in returning to love and unity. But ultimately, though, there is no separation. Love and hate are illusions in the world of opposites. The unity exists as one without beginning or end. The separations that we see in the world are expressions of the unity, exploring what it is by experiencing its opposites.